In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your opening hours on Fresha in our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, follow along as we walk you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to log into your Fresha partner account. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your business on Fresha. So make sure your login details are at hand. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where we're going to start. Now, look for the online booking section on your dashboard. This is an essential part of your business setup where you manage how and when clients can make appointments with you online. Click on the online booking section to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the online booking area, turn your attention to your business profile. You'll want to click on the option button here. The option button gives you access to various settings and configurations for your profile. Now click on Edit Profile. It's a straightforward step that leads you into the heart of your business's personal information. Here, you can make changes to ensure your profile reflects the most accurate details about your business. Next, click on Continue. You'll see this button as you move through the profile section, and it ensures that your changes are being processed and bringing you closer to where you want to be. You'll be asked to click Continue again. Sometimes these repetitive actions are necessary to verify your selections, especially when dealing with secure and essential information about your company's operational hours. As you navigate through these steps, you'll eventually reach the page specifically for your business's opening hours. This is where you can specify the times and days you want your business to be available to clients. Take your time here to carefully review and adjust the hours to suit your needs. When you're satisfied with the changes you've made, hit the Done button. This doesn't save your changes, but it confirms that you're finished editing your opening hours for now. Finally, to make sure all of your adjustments are registered, click on Save and Exit. This final step is crucial to ensure your new opening hours are updated and will reflect accurately to any clients booking online. And that's it. You've successfully updated your opening hours on Fresha. Remember to repeat this process whenever your schedule changes to keep your bookings seamless. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.